Welcome everyone, Ed here from the Great Indoors, and tonight is Friday bowling night. Join us, we're going to have a good time. Ready to go bowling tonight, Michelle?
Oh yes, get to hang out with my man and Shelly and Carrie.
She doesn't want to really bowl tonight because we worked a late shift today at work, and she was like finding every reason to try to not bowl tonight. But I said it's only the 4th week of the season, and I don't think it would look good to be skipping bowling this early on. So we're gonna work through it, and hopefully we'll bowl good tonight because we kind of struggled last week. So anyway, I'll see you at the lanes. Here we are, the roll house of Mentor. And that woman on the right is a Pittsburgh Steelers fan, so I really don't talk to her too much, but that's okay. She's all right. She's good. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. There we go. There you go, Michelle.
Oh, thank you. Here you go, Ed.
Thank you. Well, this is a new wing they just added over here. It's a new bar area that's got pool tables, foosball. There's another bar on the other side. Oh, this is something that is pretty cool. Shuffleboard. I'm wondering if this is the same thing. No, that's not the thing where you push the beer bottles down the thing. I think it's actually real shuffleball. The score thing over there. Pretty cool. New pool tables. Cool stuff here at Mentor Roll House. Mentor is bomb. Oh yeah? Okay. And this is the Sportsman League that I'm in over here. I don't know where our guys are here. Where are we bowling at? Oh, we're up here today? Okay, the new rule is during the summertime, this is Don, he's the local Steeler fan.
Where did you get that?
I got it at Best Buy. It was on sale.
What they charge you for it?
I'll talk about it. I'm recording it, so I'll talk to you about it later. But anyway, now they have it where only bowlers are allowed to be in the area, and you got to stay up here if you're the one team, and you got to go down there for the other team. And Steeler fans have to stay down there. They also have a state-of-the-art game room that was just installed last year. So they have the virtual reality system over here. You could have multiplayer. Over here you get your gun. And then you hook up with the virtual reality headset over there, and you could go to war with your friends. Pretty cool stuff, if I must say so. Where was this stuff when I was growing up back in the 80s and 90s? Nothing like this. It had nothing like this. I dreamed of having something like this, but now that I'm my age now, you know, it's just weird that it's all coming about now. Super bikes. Wow. This place has got everything here. Whack and Win. One of my friends has, when he goes bowling, he's got a little kid about yay high, who's always getting into trouble. And I've seen him literally put the kid inside the bouncy ball thing so he would stop getting into trouble. I'm not gonna name that person, but because that person's probably watching this video, but I think it was pretty hilarious. Look at that. And you got your basketball. Cool stuff here at the Menor Roll House. Ken Woodcomb. Oh!
Here we go again.
Dave Salenteek. Please redeem us, Dave. Oh. Tough night. Oh, a lot of nines today. For Lou Virant. $9.99. Everyone must be German around here. And we are here with Jeff Lowe. I see, Jeff, you're a Miami Dolphin fan.
That's right.
You can openly admit that too. You got to be proud of that, you know.
Sure am.
So anyway, Jeff is the manager of Golden Dragon Restaurant, which me and Michelle have been to quite a few times. So Jeff, are there any specials that we should be made aware of at Golden Dragon that are going on right now?
Not at this moment, no.
What?
Not at this moment.
Not at this moment. You can't make one up right now and say everyone watching get $5 off or something like that?
Well, we have a 10% coupon if you go to goldendragon99.com.
Yeah. Go to goldendragon.com.
No, goldendragon99.com.
goldendragon99.com, and then what?
There'll be a scanner. You can scan a scanner.
Right.
Click on that and you get 10% off on your order.
So you can help going on there will give you 10% off your next visit.
Yes.
I'll put a link on the video for you.
Yes.
You have a good time bowling tonight, all right?
Thank you.
All right. Nick Mayberry. There you go. Four in a row, 9. Right. He is a good bowler. He's got like a 215 average. We are here with Shelly, and she makes these cute little masks. And it just so happened to be a Cleveland Browns mask. You made that yourself?
Yes, I did.
Wow. Now, you do this, and I guess it was a gift for Michelle's birthday. Michelle, what do you say?
Thank you very much, Shelley.
Wow.
Very nice of you.
If anybody wants to have Shelly make a mask for you, she makes them, and what you could do is leave a message in the text message or in the comments, and I could forward you her information. So, can you get other? You don't have to get Cleveland Browns stuff, do you?
No, I make Steelers. I've made a few Dolphins. I pretty much make all this. If all you have to do is call me, and I can order them and have them made up probably within a week or two.
That's awesome. Well, hopefully this video will help drum up some more business for you. Thank you so much. It does make Michelle look like a true Browns fan now. So, and the one that you got is very stylish for Halloween too.
I have a lot of these ones. I have these ones, and I make Christmas ones, and I have Halloween and Thanksgiving. And
Maybe you could make the great indoors ones too. Wouldn't that be cool?
Yep.
I got to get the design to you, and then you could put it together.
Yep.
That would be cool. And then our subscribers could have great indoors masks.
Yep.
Yeah. So make sure you let us know in the comments so that Shelly could get to work protecting you from the virus.
Thank you.
I won pins over that first game with a 262. Thanks, Don. I got to get some change for your tip over here. Yeah, I had like 4 in a row and open.
Yeah, Rick Cartwright had a 52.
52, what was I? How many pins over was I?
64.
64?
Yeah, you beat him by 12.
That's pretty close. Well, anyway, Michelle, her average went up since the last game from 131 to 135. So she's now a official with their 135 average. Lee over there has 4 strikes working, possible 238 if he strikes out. Let's see what he does. First one, right there. Get in there. Oh, nice game though. Thank you. 235. Beautiful. 2 frames, 2 10 pins, 2 misses. It's safe to say that I have hit the wall, and I'm starting to feel the effects of working all day, not getting any rest before bowling. Back in my younger days, this would have been a problem, but as you get older like I am, it ain't so easy. Oh well, no excuses here, right, Don? Yeah. Hey, a bowler isn't a bowler unless he has a good excuse. And I have all those lined up, okay?
Here's Ed bowling in the 3rd game, 3rd frame. And he gets a strike for everybody. How about that for the great indoors?
Okay, I had an assist from my Pepsi over here. That caffeine boost gave me what I needed to get that strike. All right, I'm gonna finish out this game and I'll get back to you afterwards and let you know how I did. Let the good times roll, eh, Michelle?
Yes.
Brian Sloan. If he strikes out, he could get a 268. There's the first strike for Brian. All right, good job. With a strike here, Brian could get a 268 game. Let's see if he can seal the deal. If he ever gets up there to bowl. There he goes, okay. .266. Nice bowling, Brian.
Ed is in.
I have 5 in a row. If I strike out, I'll get a 238, and it might give me a shot at series for pins over average. But I really need all 3 strikes to make it happen. Oh, no! That's how it goes. You put it right there and okay, pause it and then come back.
Pin maker.
Here, possible 217.
In the far distance, that's Dan McFadden from the Fab 4. .216 for the final score for the 3rd game. Nice shooting, Ed.
59, I believe, something like that. Have a good night. Well, that'll about do it for us on Friday Night Bowling. We took 2 out of 3, and you know, it would have been nice to take all 7, but what are you going to do? The competition rose to the occasion, and we did not. There's Phil. He's one of the guys that kicked our ass in that 3rd game. It's not just one bowler, though. It's a team effort. You win as a team, and you lose as a team. You guys have a good night now, all right? If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do that too. The Great Indoors with Ed and Michelle. Have a great indoors night, everybody. Bye.